You never went in nowhere. I never went in another argument with that. And the chopper to try to do a job, but I go to the chopper to try to do one and one foot. Chopper to do that.
You see me? Ever have me? Nobody can have you over me. Top Derrick, we all do it. Ask what? No, look here, don't ask me nothing. Don't ask me anything. Don't ask me anything, please. I left and get up and left round here, so I don't like Ghetto even more.
I understand.
I mean, so live a vineyard town. Me live a vineyard town. The people them sell them out, and the lady said she don't make me live a come with her water out. The lady said no. Me not gonna make the girl come and water out. 'Cause she don't want nobody to
Yes,
water
I
out
because
trouble me.
safety. Yes.
Yeah, and then me end up on one guest house, rent one room there, and lock up my things them in there. Some of my
Yes.
things them.
But I know, no, recently you
Yeah,
have
me I
bought
say,
some new
yeah,
furniture. Now,
class,
recently you
me,
bought some new
Rosalie.
furniture as well.
Yeah. I'm sure out of Rockford. When I go there, listen, I tell you the joke. When I go there, when I move, go there. This friend of mine get the house for me out there. It's an apartment. Me pay 50,000 for the room. Me have to pay 100,000 for next month, 2 months rent. Me have to pay. And me move my stuff them and everything. And then the Thursday is my birthday. I'm about somebody pay them for one room. I watch you and Airbnb. I watch you and I go there and go stay. For the 3-4 days I watch it. Me not say an inch out of
Yes.
Rockford. Yeah, me I tell you, when I go out, when I come up from Ochi and go one back, and I come up on the road back, some boy on the top of the road I call me, Batman Derrick.
Yes.
And I tell them I go on. So I never pay them, I go in the car and go, 8 to town to go work my business. You see when we come out at the night, the man right up at the corner, see everything I go on, and the man leave me when I come in the night and talk to me, say, I have to lift up the man, a man to lift up. All me do,
Yes.
right, you see, all me do, me call the girl get the room for me and the girl, and a man come on and talk to him and say, but that, instead me tell the girl, so me not say me I'll go away. Me leave up about 5:30 in the morning, call a taxi and come to me, and me head to town. And I never go back up there too, so I move up my thing out of the house. I make the thing till 1 month.
So
me
who
get them
is
come out.
Camcam? Who is Camcam?
She up on TikTok. She not no follower. She not no hype me. She want some clothes like everybody. She start texting for me. She turn to me and talk about say, oh, our friend go Panama and then turn them. But the most some reason then turn back our friend.
Yes,
You know
it
what,
must
some
be a
reason
reason.
them turn back
Yes,
our
it must
friend.
be a reason.
And then she talk about me. Oh, me go through. Me must go through. Me can't buy to them country.
But Derek, you must not follow. You must not follow them, you know. Thunder.
I don't know what's like something like that though.
Yeah, thunder.
Yeah.
Yeah, you must not follow them and make them draw you out and you cuss and go on bad because
Me not follow them.
you're a celebrity now, you know. I told you that you were featured on Nationwide this morning. You're a celebrity. You can't let they draw you out and a cuss and a go on because people will soon start.
You never
No, but
screenshot
it's over
anything.
YouTube. It's over YouTube. Yes.
Okay,
So this cussing and go on bad and where people are dry you out, you must not allow that anymore. You hear? because you soon start get big call and
Yeah,
contract
man.
now, you know, so you have to be professional. So sometimes some people literally talk things about you to get you bad, and then people is going to drag you down. And then this cussing and this and them thing that them are gonna say you don't have
Yeah.
anything about you. So you can't let people keep drawing you out, and your cuss and go on bad. It's going to paint a bad picture on your reputation. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when I hang up,
Yes, you can
me I
send
send the
it to me
number to
when
you.
you finish. And don't make nobody make you a cuss and go on bad.
Yeah,
Now, see,
yeah,
you have a lot of things coming at you now. You went to Panama, you see people in Guyanese endorse you. Those are international people, a part of the
yeah,
Caribbean as well. You said you're going to the DR soon, and then you said you're
yeah,
going to go to England. You can't have this bad reputation, you know, Derrick, and you
yeah,
cuss and you follow people, you know. Sometimes you must take it easy. And you see, when time you get angry, your speech is hard to
yeah.
come out, it will affect you. It will send up your pressure. When you send up your pressure, Derrick, them now gonna come look on you at hospital, you know, and we will lose you more quicker than when you should go, you know. Yes, so you must be calm.
Yeah.
Now
True.
listen to what people are saying. And then it go affect you, I go cuss and your pressure I go
Yeah,
raise. Their pressure not raising, you know. And suppose if you live
yeah.
to see a 80-year-old, or you're supposed to live until you're 100. This cussing and behavior won't carry you to 100-year-old, you know. You will drop out more quicker or sooner, you know, Derek. Yes, you need
Yeah,
to take
man.
it more easier, you need to take it more calm, and you need to ignore them. Some of
Yeah?
the time they literally draw you up because they know you're going to respond to them.
Oh, yeah, man, more phone. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, man. That's true,
and
that
then
time.
somebody says you're a popular person, so people will always talk about you. Yes, you are popular, so you must not drag or help mash down your reputation. You must build your reputation here. You see, Macadam
Yeah.
gave you a good start. You're all over on YouTube within 2 days. The music hit that number of views. People worldwide so want to know who is Derrick Morgan, and they don't want to see Derrick Morgan. I tell people this and that. Me about me this. Dirty thinking this. They don't want to see that Derrick because you soon get booking for international TV as well. You know, Derrick. And then
Yeah.
the people them
Oh,
can't
yeah,
have you on the morning show, and when
but
you cuss out woman and a
more on them nice area.
Havendale, Mullines
Yeah,
Road,
I've been here town.
Havendale and Mullines
Yeah,
Road,
yeah,
or Vineyard
yeah.
Town. Okay, I'm not familiar with Vineyard Town, but I can check in the Mullines Road area and up Havendale side for you.
It's up to 70.
And how you enjoy your trip in Panama? You see, these are what you should come and talk about. How you enjoy your
That's
trip in Panama?
what I
What
talk
was it
about
like?
tonight.
Yeah, what was it like? What are some of the wow moments you had? How does it feel that you were away from the bangarang and you were in a new environment? What was it like? What the food was like? And so forth. And just give negativity a little less thing. People only talk about people that is good, you know. If you were doing bad, they wouldn't talk about you, you know, Derek. You're a superstar. People only talk about people who are doing good.
Yeah, man, I
You
talk
hear
about
them
it. I
saying
talk
that they
about
only
it.
you hear them say people only store ripe mango, they don't store fluxy mango.
My friend never went upon the plane.
Yeah. And how you enjoy it? What was it like?
Yeah, it's alright, but me just kind of free.
What were you afraid of?
Me just scared if anything ever happen.
So out of the plane and the ship, which one you rather?
Eh?
Out of the plane and the ship, which one you rather?
The two of them, being girls, 2020. But you can't see. So.
So can you swim?
You ever go on the ship yet?
No, I've never been on a ship before because I don't like the sea. I rather the plane than the ship.
You know, they stop up in the sky too.
Huh?
You stop to, you know, take your time and drive. And when they speed up like a motor vehicle.
Eh, eh. So you say patrol in the sky too?
Yeah, it's just a shake, sir. It's a shake, sir.
So I will leave a patrol up there, Derrick.
No. I when it breeze. I talk to the cloud.
So I hope we can fix the road up there. Andrew Wallace.
Eh?
Andrew Wallace, you can fix the road up there.
No. I'll be a time I'm watching, I'll be a time I watch.
Yeah.
Every minute, ask myself what time, our time now. And then after we see pan scream, so we soon reach.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah.
we can see when we up there. Maka at the window, I mean at the middle seat. And we can't when we see now we can see the place in Panama like the whole big land them. Then them say you're in a Panama city.
Yes.
We run away
Derrick,
and it's
Derrick, you're an internet sensational.
you
You're
can't
an
feed
internet.
when I go down, you know.
Huh?
You can't feed when I go down.
Oh, you can feel it when it was about to land.
Yeah, you just go down. It take your time, I go down. It go down. It go down. It go down. It go down. When you reach that go, you want to make a fast speed run like.
Yes.
And it cool down.
But you enjoyed it though. Yes. We have to big up Macadam, we have to big up Macadam and all your followers who made it possible, yeah?
I remember me ear was them come. So I mean, say, then come and chat with me. Say, come here 1 minute, please, and them come. I mean, I talk to them.
So you enjoy the food and it?
Food, we not a thing.
Why?
No, me. When I go, we buy chicken, and when we reach at the hotel, meet the chicken.
So you did prepare to eat on the plane?
Not a thing. I want sleep. I remember check me eye, open my eye back. I remember check me eye, open back eye. You me to Maka what time now?
Yes.
What time? Maka say we have 1 more hour yet. Every me about Maka what time left? Every minute me ask you what time left. So we just time to come on.
Yeah, they just want to land.
Yeah, God know. It's when we land, I'll be another people that make up. Panama, I'll be a Panama people make.
You see, because people,
Then you see
because people endorse you. People endorse you there.
you know, me get up for the bathroom. Me just turn back.
Why?
No. Me just turn back. I'll go back now, me see go sit down.
So Derrick, why you never carry the brown girl that come to Jamaica come marry her? Or you make sure, or you left her over Panama?
We take picture with her. She come from Colombia.
Yeah. So you know, should I carry her with you, man? Tell her say you not leave her.
We can't understand them. We can't understand them Spanish.
They will teach you and you will learn it.
And they ready for them. They ready for them phone.
Yeah. Probably they don't speak English.
Me get up. Buy myself, me go to the store, them go buy. And somebody understand me, somebody speak English.
Yes. So you see that people love.
Them what they know say we not come from there. Them know what they know.
So you see that people loved you outside of Jamaica.
We got the Panama Canal.
You go to the Panama Canal.
Yeah, we see the big ship.
Yes.
When they come in, I see water rise up, and after when the ship pass up, the water go back down.
Yes. So it was a well spent. It was a well spent vacation.
And after work, we go watch movie. Them at the history about Panama Canal and something there. Yeah.
Yes. So what can you remember from the history? What can you remember?